Hi, my name is Madison. I'm a junior currently studying cognitive science as well as interdisciplinary studies field.
My name is Anika. I'm also third year. I'm studying cognitive science and data science.
And my name is Emily. I'm fourth year studying society and environment, public policy, and city and regional planning.
So in the Fung Fellowship, we collaborate with primarily startups, nonprofits, and industry leaders who are at the forefront of tackling social and technological challenges.
It's kind of a semester-long design sprint. So they really hit the ground running in the beginning of the semester where they're matched with a project partner.
The fellows have great autonomy and flexibility to choose their own projects based on their own interests, skills, desired learning outcomes, as well as learning opportunities. And this approach really allows fellows to take more ownership, and it allows them to tailor their experience.
I was interested in their project just because I feel like UCSF kind of provided the other side of the opioid crisis. A lot of the media coverage and marketing and information was related to the victims, and I thought that working on this project and diving into the Industry Documents Archive would offer kind of an opportunity to explore the other corporate side of this problem.
I think this project also has a lot of high impact. The opioid crisis is especially relevant in the Bay Area, and so I think as someone who wasn't personally affected by that, I definitely want to dive deeper into understanding the crisis more.
Throughout the last semester, we had the opportunity to conduct a lot of interviews with community members, professionals in the field, just whoever we could do outreach to in the Bay Area. And I think hearing some of the personal stories that people had either with personal use of opioids or being impacted with familial use of opioids really hit close to home for us, because it kind of makes the situation more humanized and shows that it's something that goes unsaid within our community, but it's still very prevalent.
In the beginning, we knew we wanted to do a hybrid digital physical thing, or something where users could actually interact in person with the product. And we eventually landed on something that's a kiosk. So it'd be in a mall or a transit center, so users can interact with it in an idle setting. And I think from there, it was a lot of sketch work and just asking people around us their thoughts on this. Hypothetically, if you can interact with this solution, how would you feel?
The most important skill I think the Fung Fellows learn is really how to work with ambiguity, being able to pivot when things are needed, being able to manage multiple stakeholders, work interdisciplinary across team, manage conflict, and then also explore different technology that might help develop their innovations.
I think there are a lot of different initiatives and campaigns that range across different health issues and substance abuses, and we really wanted to tap into those resources, but also tweak it in a way that it's more culturally sensitive to the audiences that we're serving. We recognize that in the Bay Area, there are a lot of families or people who either had experiences using opioids or had family members that are connected to the opioid crisis in some way, and so we wanted to be sensitive to that but also spread a message.
We want to work towards streamlining the process for users to actually click through our solution and print out a receipt, which is kind of our keepsake, impactful, last part of our solution. So I think streamlining the process before actually implementing it in public spaces is definitely something we want to do.
The most valuable part of the fellowship is that you're getting industry mentorship early on in your experience. You're working on solutions alongside community and industry partners, and you're essentially also working from students outside your major, and there aren't many opportunities here at Cal to do that.
I think success for this project looks like helping people and spreading awareness for this issue, but also making information more accessible and piquing people's interest to want to learn more about this and want to support other initiatives that are going on in the local area.